Replace every plank in a ship, one at a time. Most people say it is still the same ship. Now save every discarded plank and rebuild them into a second ship. Which one is the original? That is only the first problem. 5 more simple questions will turn time, motion, surprise, and even a pile of sand against common sense. The last one has been tested with real clocks. The repaired ship has one unbroken history. It stayed in the water while each old plank became a new one, but the rebuilt ship has all the original wood. If a ship is its history, the first one wins. If it is its material, the second one wins. Both answers sound reasonable. They cannot both name the one original ship. That is the ship of Theseus. It turns a simple word, same, into a trap. The second paradox does not replace a ship, it removes you. Imagine I travel into the past and stop my grandparents from ever meeting. Then I am never born. But if I am never born, nobody travels back to stop them, so I am born, so I go back, so I am not born. That loop is the grandfather paradox. It does not prove that time travel is real. It shows what backward time travel would have to avoid. Some ideas keep history self-consistent. Something always prevents the contradiction. Other ideas split reality into another branch. Both are possible ways to tell the story. Neither has been confirmed by a time traveler. The third paradox needs no machine, just sand. One grain is not a heap. Add one more grain, still not a heap. If one grain can never make the difference, I should be able to keep adding grains forever without making a heap. But eventually, there is obviously a heap on the table. This is the Sorite's paradox. The problem is not the sand. It is the hidden edge inside the word heap. The word is useful, even though nobody can point to the exact grain where it becomes true. The first 3 attack objects, time and words. The fourth attacks what I can know. A teacher tells the class, there will be one surprise test next week. The students reason that it cannot be Friday. By Thursday night, Friday would be the only day left, so it would not be a surprise. Remove Friday, and the same reasoning removes Thursday, then Wednesday. Soon, every day is impossible. The teacher gives the test on Wednesday. The students are surprised. This is the surprise test version of the unexpected hanging paradox. Their prediction seems to destroy every possible day. Yet the prediction also destroys itself, because once they believe no test can happen, a test can surprise them again. There is no single explanation that every philosopher accepts. The trap sits inside the student's claim that they know what will happen. The fifth paradox says I should never reach the other side of a room. First, I must cross half the distance, then half of what remains, then half again. There is always another halfway point. That sounds like an endless number of jobs, so how can I ever finish walking? This is Zeno's dichotomy paradox. The answer is that an infinite list does not always require infinite time. 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 keeps shrinking. The total gets closer and closer to one whole distance. Modern mathematics can describe that limit, even if the endless list still feels impossible. The final paradox does not only feel strange, its central effect is real. Imagine 2 twins. One stays on Earth. The other flies away at nearly the speed of light, turns around, and comes home. For the traveling twin, less time has passed. That twin returns younger. At first, each twin could say the other one was moving. So why does only one age less? Because their trips are not truly equal. One twin stays on roughly the same path through space-time. The other changes direction and returns. Those different paths can contain different amounts of elapsed time. This is the twin paradox. We cannot send a person on that journey yet, but precise clocks have measured the time difference predicted by relativity. Some of these paradoxes expose a fuzzy word. Some expose a hidden assumption. Some reveal that the universe follows rules that human instinct never had to learn. They do not prove that logic is broken. They show how easily a good rule can collide with another good rule. Which one still feels wrong, even after the explanation? Mine is the ship. If replacing every part does not erase it, what makes any of us stay the same? Everything inside our lives keeps changing.